Okay, we are now picking up with example 88B, which is on the third tab of the Chapter 8 notes. And in this problem, we have Elise Lynn. She works for Columbia Industries at $14.50 per hour, time and a half over 40 hours. We are doing the calculations for a pay period where she worked 46 hours, and she is married, claiming 2 allowances. So we're going to calculate the items withheld from her check and then make a journal entry. So step 1 before we do anything else is we need to calculate her gross pay. So she has 46 hours, meaning 40 regular, 6 overtime, regular hourly rate of $14.50, and then her overtime rate, again, I'm using a formula, so I'm clicking that equals her regular rate times 1.5. And so then we get gross pay of $710.50. And so then I have this box down here set up for us to calculate the items withheld from her check. Now first is the income tax. So we need to use those tables again. So $710.50, married with 2 allowances. So I'm going to the married table. Scroll down, so $710.50 would fall between the 705 and 715, and then we have 0, 1, and 2 allowances. So it looks like our income tax withheld would be that $33 right there, again under the column where we have 2 allowances. So $33 in income tax, and then the Social Security tax, $710.50 multiplied by 6.2%, or in the decimal form, 0.062, and then the Medicare tax, 0.0145, $10.30 for Medicare. And of course, I already had those formulas set up, equals the gross pay times the rate for both Social Security and Medicare. The health insurance premium, that is just given to us at $92. The credit union, that's basically a savings account. So $110 going into a particular account at a credit union, and then a $5 United Way contribution or a charitable contribution. So we have total deductions of $294.35. Now when we make a journal entry, and again, this is from the viewpoint of the business, we're going to debit wages expense for the total gross wages. So I could do equals this amount right here. And then, and this is where we have to assume a little bit, but we're going to assume that all of these items go into a payable, all of these deductions go into a payable, and then whatever the difference is, that would be cash given to the employee in the form of a paycheck. So let me zoom out just a little bit. For income tax payable, and I'm just going to do equals this cell, hit enter. Social Security payable equals that. Medicare equals this cell. Health insurance, $92, credit union $110, and United Way payable $5. And then the difference is going to go to cash. So I could do one of two things. If I want to select these cells, and I know it's small on my screen, but hopefully you can see it. On the bottom right, it's giving me a total right here. Of course, we have the total right here as well. But I'm going to basically take the gross pay minus all of the deductions, and the net amount is cash. So I'll come down here, I'll say equals gross minus, and since that's subtotaled, I'll select that cell, hit enter, and we get cash paid to the employee of $416.15.